Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into the Google account you plan to use. Make sure it has owner access for the site. Once signed in, go straight to Analytics. Google, Com and Open Admin. Click Create Account and enter a clear account name that groups related sites. Configure data sharing preferences now so reporting behaves as expected. After that, press Next to add your first property. This moves you from account-level setup into property configuration, where you define measurement specifics. Now configure the property. Enter a descriptive property name, set the reporting time zone and currency so metrics align with your business. Choose Google Analytics 4 to get modern event-driven data collection. Next, create a web data stream by providing your site URL and an intuitive stream name. Once the stream exists, copy the measurement ID, GXXXX, or the global site tag snippet. You'll use that ID or tag to send data from your website into the new property. Finish by adding the tag to your site header or deploying the measurement ID with Google Tag Manager. Save and publish changes. Then open real-time reports in Analytics to confirm events flow in. Simple page views should appear almost immediately. Make sure to configure conversions and custom events after initial verification. If you don't see data, check tag placement, disable ad blockers for testing, inspect browser console errors, and confirm the GTag or GTM network requests are filed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.